Amazon has slashed the price of a popular vacuum cleaner ahead of Black Friday. The huge sale event kicks off later this month, but a range of retailers have revealed savings early, with Amazon cutting the costs of various products online. Included in the early Black Friday deal is the Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, costing just £49.99, a £30, 38% saving on its £79.99 RRP. The vacuum promises to quickly remove dust, debris and pet hair from surfaces and soft furnishings of your home. The no-fade lithium-ion technology ensures lasting power and performance, allowing you to whiz through your home with speed and ease to help keep on top of dust and dirt. The lightweight 1.2 kg vacuum has a large capacity dust cup with easy debris disposal as well as a washable filter. The popular vacuum has an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 on Amazon, with shoppers impressed by its superb suction and easiness to use. And it appears to be the lowest price on the market, with Argos selling the same model for £80. Titling their 5-star review superb, one happy shopper said, "Great design. Simple to use. More than adequate suction. Easy to empty. Simple to charge and with a neat range of tool options. It isn't noisy at all. Yes, it's only got 10 minutes of life, but you won't be buying it to clean the whole house." Another branded the vacuum a game changer, writing, "I've been using this Shark cordless vacuum cleaner and it's been a game changer for my cleaning routine. The cordless feature gives me the freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet, making it incredibly convenient." Despite its compact size, the 80W power delivers impressive suction, efficiently picking up dirt and debris. "Even cleaning my car is easy with it. The 0.45-liter capacity is surprisingly generous for a cordless vacuum, allowing me to clean multiple areas before needing to empty it. It is also easy to store it. Overall, I'm impressed with the performance, and it has made keeping my home tidy much more effortless." Tech Deal of the Week: Ring Doorbell has launched its early Black Friday sale and shoppers can save up to 50% on top safety devices. They're also great for keeping tabs on home deliveries, which is great for the upcoming festive period. And now you can get one cheaper than ever thanks to Ring's biggest ever Black Friday sale. The company has cut the price of its Ring Video Doorbell from £99.99 down to £49.99, which allows you to hear, see and speak to anyone outside your home from your smartphone. You'll get instant notifications to your phone or tablet no matter where you are, and you can also customize the motion sensor settings to suit your needs. It also allows you to set automatic responses for when you can't answer the door, and get real-time alerts whenever anyone rings the bell or activates the motion sensors. This deal also comes with 30 days free of Ring Protect, which is a subscription service that unlocks photo capture, video recording, saving, sharing and more for video doorbells and security cameras. A third shopper was impressed but noted the battery as a downside, saying, "This vacuum cleaner is the ultimate solution for cleaning laziness. It's so practical and efficient that even my wife started helping to clear the corners in the house." The Pet Head Edition does a great job for stubborn hairs and is particularly helpful to clear the car mats, as they are usually rough and hair/threads are hard to get with a normal head. The only downside is the short autonomy. It lasts only about 10 to 15 minutes before needing another charge. But overall I'm really happy about it and cannot recommend it more. Another noted, only issue is the charge doesn't last long, but the power is superb. The Shark handheld cordless vacuum can be snapped up at its reduced price from Amazon here. Dyson also have a range of cordless vacuums, with Black Friday deals already running online. For example, the Dyson V8 Absolute Vacuum is currently reduced to £269.99 from £399.99, a saving of £130. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.